As we want to open sales module, select settings under configuration. So here we can see product catalog. Under product catalog, we should select variant and variant group entry. Then go to product module, product model. Then create a new product. Then set the attribute for that product. Here I create a product named box and attribute is color and the variant is red and yellow. So here we can see sale variant selection. First of all, I select product configurator inside this product. So save this product, then go back to sales module, create a quotation with this product. So here I create quotation with my new product called box. Here I select the product box. Here we can see a pop-up window. Here I can change the color of my new product and also the quantity. So here I set the color as red and the quantity too, and click confirm button. Here the new product is added and save the quotation. Then go back to my product and change the sales variant selection as order get entry and go to sales module to create new quotation with this same product. We will see what happens. So here I select box. So here we can see a pop-up window. If I want box of color yellow with quantity 2, then I will set the 0 as 2 and confirm. Here you can select the product of yellow with quantity 2, then confirm. This is all about sale variant selection in Odoo17. Thank you.